Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Roland here from Durban Hiking and Adventures. I'm at the beautiful Kloof Gorge this morning. To be exact, I'm at the bottom of BT Falls. I came here this morning to inspect the trails for our upcoming hike and check what I walked into. Let's look at this beautiful rainbow I was eating this morning. It is just amazing. Look at it. I hope you can see it in my video. And I feel so blessed to be able to witness this. It's just an amazing morning. It's so lovely to be here, and I can't wait to bring you guys here. So I am planning a hike for the 17th of December, this coming Sunday. The tickets will be 119 Rand per person, and they are available on Cricket. And what will be on offer here is two options we got. One will be about a 3-4 kilometer hike to BT Falls and back. It's suitable for beginners as well. And the other option will be a lot longer, up to about 12-13 kilometer into the gorge to the bottom of the Kloof Falls if we can get there. And a couple of other waterfalls, a lot of climbing and a lot of rough terrain, so it is not suitable for beginners, and it will probably take 3, 4, even 5 hours to finish, depending on how many times we stop. So guys, if you are keen to join us, please grab your tickets on Cricket, and please remember the 60 Rand entrance fee which is payable on entering the venue and is not included in our charge. Bring card or cash, preferably cash because the card machine doesn't always work. And we are really looking forward to seeing you here on Sunday. Thanks, and enjoy this little video for all the waterfalls. Cheers.